Namaste, I am Manjula and welcome to Manjula's kitchen. Kamal Kakdi Chaat. This is a unique and tasty dish. I wanted to make something new and delicious but also very easy to make. Kamal Kakdi, which is an edible lotus root that has a crunchy texture. I was reading more about Kamal Kakdi. I was surprised at how much nutrients Kamal Kakdi has. My friend has been raving about Kamal Kakdi chaat and he tried to help me what he remembers. I was excited to try out a spicy chaat using it, but I did not want to fry. After trying few times, me and my family really enjoyed this chaat. Hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy. This recipe will serve 6. I am ready to make Kamal Kakdi ki chaat. I am using 2 cups of frozen sliced Kamal Kakdi and I have already pressure cooked in instant pot for 5 minutes in 2 cups of water and drained the water. Kamal Kakdi should be tender. So spread the Kamal Kakdi over and pat dry. Okay, so now I am ready to saute. I will saute the Kamal Kakdi. Heat is on low medium. So first I am going to put 1 tablespoon of oil. Oil should be just warm. I have 1 tablespoon of thinly sliced ginger. So put this in oil and stir fry for about a minute. So now as you see, ginger has started taking some color, just very light brown. So I am going to take them out. Okay. I will use this ginger for garnishing later on. I am using the same pan and leftover oil. So add the cumin seed. I am using half a teaspoon of cumin seed. As cumin seed crack, add Kamal Kakdi. Stir. Add half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir fry just for 2 minutes. So this has been about a minute. So I am going to sprinkle about 1 teaspoon of green chilies. And about half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, Kamal Kakdi is ready. Turn off the heat. Take this out in a bowl. I am ready to plate the Kamal Kakdi chaat for 1. Okay, now I have here whipped yogurt. So just put couple of spoons of whipped yogurt. Few green chilies if you like hot, otherwise don't use it. And few pieces of ginger. I have here tamarind chutney. And I have done this recipe long time back, so you can check it out on my website. Kamal Kakdi chaat is ready to be served. Kamal Kakdi chaat is delicious and looking good. As you see, this is very easy to make. For more recipes, check out my website manjulaskitchen.com. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to receive future recipes. If you like the recipes, please leave the comment and share on social media. Thank you.